everyone, so today's video is going to be a get ready with me from Halloween. I lost my voice on Halloween and it's just been coming and going ever since, so I'm sorry if I still sound raspy like this, but we're just starting off the face with my Nivea for Men Aftershave Balm. We're going to be using that as primer today. And then this has been a huge step for me lately. I'm taking the Maybelline Master Camo in the color Apricot. This just helps hide those dark circles that I'm getting and cannot seem to get rid of. And I was kind of in a rush because I had to dress up as Tinkerbell for work. So I normally pat that out with my finger before I go in with my Maybelline Dream BB cream. But I didn't. That's why it's kind of running all over. But it's fine because it ended up all blending out in the end. And I forgot to put chapstick, so I'm putting that on here. Then I went in with my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Correcting Concealer. I had to do 2 coats of this because, like I said, I normally pat that color correcting apricot color out with my finger, but I was rushing and was not using my brain, so we did 2 coats of this and then blended it out with my beauty blender. This is just a Real Techniques beauty blender. It's been my favorite for years. So after that little dance break, we are going in with the Physicians Formula Multicolored Pressed Powder. I know I have completely hit pan on this. I have gotten a new one since. I just don't like getting rid of products as soon as they hit pan. Like, I have to use up every little last bit. So I used up everything that I could and put this all over my face. And then we went in with my favorite for under eyes. This is the Revlon PhotoReady face powder. This is in the shade 10 Fair Light, and I love this for my under eyes. It doesn't give me a white cast. It really does help hide any darkness and sets everything really, really well. Another pan product, I am sorry, this is the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. I love this bronzer. It smells good, it feels good, it goes on great, and I go through this like so much. So let me know if you guys would actually want to see a project pan. I know people haven't done those in a while. I've seen very few people doing them recently. It used to be huge when like beauty gurus were just becoming a thing. But if you guys want to see that, let me know. But yeah, I just basically contoured where I felt was necessary. I didn't want to go too crazy. I really wanted to focus on Tinkerbell's glow, which you guys will see later. So I went in for blush with the Physicians Formula Butter Blush in the color Murumuru Butter Blush. I'm definitely saying that wrong, but obviously, as always, everything will be listed below with the correct spelling because I'm OCD like that. The eyes in this look I wanted to keep really, really basic because I really wanted to focus on her glow. So I went in with the Tarteist Pro Palette and the color Classic and just set this all over my eyelid as well as underneath my eyes and the lash line, the lower lash line, to kind of brighten up the whole look. Then I went in with the colors Indie and Bold just to give my eye a little bit of dimension. And then because I'm the queen of never being in frame and obviously I was rushing, I did my eyebrows and eyeliner off camera. I just used the NYX Eyebrow Cake Powder and my favorite Maybelline Eye Studio Gel Eyeliner. And for eyeliner, I kind of just did like a really thin line only on the upper lash line. And then for eyelashes, I use these really pretty Eylure x Nikki Philippi Flirty Feline lashes. They just were very fairy-like to me and I like them. And for one of the stars of the show, I used Champagne Pop by Jaclyn Hill and Becca Cosmetics. I put this all over the high points of my face, my cheekbones, my nose, my cupid's bow, my collarbone. But I also kind of lightly brushed it all over my chest and neck. And then I used the beautiful Trophy Wife highlight by Fenty Beauty. This is just a really pretty, very golden yellow highlight. I put this in the same exact places I put Champagne Pop, kind of just making it pop a little bit more. And then I also put it all over my hairline and kind of faded it down. I went super crazy with this, but I thought it just gave it this really pretty, like, glowing effect on my face, and as well as all over my chest and neck too. I put a bit of Champagne Pop in the inner corners of my eye as well as on my brow bone, and I later connected the two very, very lightly because I just thought it added a little something extra to the eye since it was so simple. I need to start curling my eyelashes before I put on my fake eyelashes. I don't know why. I always think it's a good idea to curl them and smush them together after they're on because sometimes they pop off. But I use the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes mascara to blend my natural lashes and my false lashes together. And I put a little bit on my lower lashes as well. But like I said before, we didn't want to put any eyeliner or any eyeshadow. We wanted it to be very bright under there. For lips, I used the NYX lip liner in the color Vanilla Sky, which I love, and I broke. I was just a mess on Halloween. And for lipstick, in one of my Sephora Play boxes, I actually got this as a sample. It's like a mini red Sephora lipstick, and I can't seem to find the color on it. But honestly, any red lipstick will do. The key with this, because I didn't want it to be too bright red, was put a little bit on, and I spread it out and blended it in with my finger, and then went over the outside of my lips just to darken it up a little bit more, because I didn't want like a super bright red lip. And then to set my face, I went in with my absolute favorite City Color All Set setting spray, and then we moved on to the hair. So the hair is honestly super easy. Tinkerbell has this super cute, sassy, messy bun, which I honestly do quite often, except she just has her little bangs hanging out. So first I went in with the Dry Bar Detox Dry Shampoo, because this was day, I don't know what hair. Rubbed that in, brushed out my hair, and then I kind of just gathered it in a ponytail just to make sure all the bumps are gone and it's nice and smooth. And I did go over to the mirror and pull out my bangs because I could not see in the viewfinder. But all you really do is take your hair and twist it into a ponytail, and that's it. The first time I made it a little messy, so I took it out and redid it, but that's all you do. You just twist it around nice and carefully, and then I took my hair tie, wrapped it around there twice, and that was it. Then from there you can pull it out, twist it around, get it where you want it. I have layers, so I did have like little hair sticking out, which is totally fine, but once you get it where you want it, just bobby pin it and then hairspray the heck out of it. I use the Dry Bar, the Sheriff hairspray. It's a firmer hairspray, so once I got it exactly where I wanted it, I sprayed the heck out of it. So I looked for Tinkerbell costumes everywhere, and they were either too inappropriate for work or just way too much money. So I literally got my dress from Shein for $11. My wings were from Amazon, my purse was from Amazon, and it honestly came out so cute. I made my shoes. And then these were literally just lime green shoelaces that matched my dress. I've had them since cheerleading in high school, and I used them to make the bow around my bun, and it really just tied everything together and came out so, so cute. Thank you guys so much for watching my Halloween Get Ready With Me for my Tinkerbell look this year. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please hit the like button, comment what you thought, or any requests down below. Be sure to subscribe to my channel as well as click the bell so you are notified every single time I upload a new video. Bye.